Good morning, students. It's the fourth lab lecture of Python programming as per the syllabus of IKG, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. I will discuss about the fourth program today, compute and print roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the values of a, b and c are input by the user. This one is the program. Let's copy this and paste in the Spider platform. It's program number 4. This one is the program. Roots of quadratic equation where a, b, c are input by the user. These are basically the constant values. You have already completed this topic in class 10th. Then what is the meaning of a quadratic equation? Still, I would like to repeat the content. First of all, the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This one is the quadratic equation where a, b and c are constants and x is a variable, and we have to calculate the value of x, as the equation is quadratic, means maximum power is 2. It means two answers are there. It is the basic condition. To calculate the value of x, we have to calculate discriminant, and the formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. And now three conditions are there. First condition is if discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Now what is the meaning of roots? The values of x are known as roots. If discriminant greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. The second condition, this one is the second condition. Now what about the third condition? If discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. And in first two conditions we have to calculate the roots, and in third condition we can write only that roots are imaginary. Now what is the formula for roots? R1, first root, we can write minus b plus then square root of discriminant then divided by 2a. Similarly, R2, the second root, minus b minus square root of discriminant divided by 2a. I repeat again, the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants and x is a variable. We have to calculate the value of x, as the equation is quadratic, means maximum power is 2. It means two answers are there. To calculate these answers, what we have to do? We have to calculate discriminant in first step, and the formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Three conditions are there. First condition, if discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. And second condition is, if discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Now, what about the third condition? If discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. And the formula for the calculation of roots is minus b plus minus square root of discriminant divided by 2a. Plus is for first root and minus is for second root. It is the basic criteria. Now, let us start with the program. Let's copy and paste this content in the new file, save as. Let the name of the file is another one. Now, first one is you have to enter the constants ABC. You can convert these contents into comments. What is the first requirement? ABC. You have to enter three coefficients. It means in first step, int input. What's required here? Enter the coefficient of x square. Enter the coefficient of x square. That's the first requirement. Then what about second requirement? You can enter here the coefficient of x. Then in third, c is constant. You can write here enter constant. These are the three requirements. After that, you have to calculate the value of discriminant. The value of discriminant is b square minus 4 ac. Look at the theory part. Discriminant, you have to calculate the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now three conditions are there. These are the three conditions. Discriminant is equal to 0, discriminant greater than 0, and discriminant less than 0. It means before proceeding with this content, you can print the value of discriminant. Discriminant is equal to, then you can write DISC. Now, what next? Next condition is if discriminant is equal to 0. Double equal to is required to check the condition. It's only the statement that discriminant is equal to 0. I am explaining the theory part only, but in case of Python, you have to write double equal to. Now you can print here roots are real and equal like this. Now you can calculate the value of root. The formula is minus b. Now this one is the formula, minus b plus square root discriminant divided by 2a. Now discriminant is equal to 0. It means you can write minus b divided by 2a only. One more thing is required. You have to write here import math. It's applicable for your calculation of square root. Minus b divided by, you can write 2a. And in second case also, you can write minus b divided by 2a, because square root of discriminant is equal to 0. It means that this portion is not required in both the cases. Similarly, you can write here R2. The second one, this one, R2 is also equal to minus b divided by 2a. Now you can print the value. First root is equal to, here you can write R1. Similarly, you can write second root, then colon, and here you can write R2. It is the first block. This one is required if discriminant is equal to 0. First of all, you have to write roots are real and equal. Second step, you can calculate the value of R1. Then you have to calculate the value of R2. Then printing of R1 and then printing of R2. These are the important steps. Now, the second one, else if discriminant, second condition is discriminant greater than 0. If the value of discriminant is greater than 0, then what you have to do, let's copy and paste this content. You can write here roots are real and unequal, and here you can apply minus b plus math dot sqrt, then inside bracket you can write discriminant. This one is required, minus b plus math dot sqrt means the square root of discriminant, then divided by 2a. Here you can apply the bracket, this one. Now in second part, you can copy and paste the content here, and you can write minus b minus square root of discriminant, because this content is not required inside Python. It's only for theory purposes that we have to do like this. But in case of Python, you have to write math.sqrt. It is the second part. Now what about the third part? In third part, you can write, because next part is not there, you can write only else. Means if discriminant is less than 0, or you can say the third condition. Here you can print this line only. Roots are imaginary, like this. Now let's execute the program. Enter the coefficient of x here. Suppose I write here 12, then 4 and 7. Discriminant, the value of discriminant is minus 320. It means roots are imaginary. Suppose I enter another set of values, 1, minus 5 and 6. Roots are real and unequal. It means first root is equal to 3 and second root is equal to 2. It is the second block. Third block, I have executed third block, roots are imaginary. Then this one, if discriminant is equal to greater than 0, it means roots are real and unequal. Let us study about the first block. Suppose I write 1, then minus 2 and 1. In this case, discriminant is equal to 0. It means roots are real and equal. You can calculate manually also that what are the values required. Suppose I am writing x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. It means the roots are real and equal. If I am writing another equation which can be factorized, it means it fall into this block, discriminant greater than 0. If I can't calculate or I can't factorize that particular equation, particular quadratic equation, it means the roots are imaginary. These are the three conditions. I repeat again. The first content is this one is the basic quadratic equation. And what about this one? ABC, these are constants and x is a variable and we have to calculate the value of x. As the equation is quadratic, it means two answers are there. Now you have to calculate the value of discriminant. After the calculation of discriminant, three conditions are there. First one, if discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Second one is if discriminant greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. What about third one? If discriminant less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Then you have to apply this formula. R1 minus B plus square root discriminant divided by 2A and R2 is minus B minus square root discriminant divided by 2A. Hope you understand the content of calculation of roots from quadratic equation. Thanks for watching my video.